YouTube. You already know what time it is. It's Alright guys, so as you can read that title, I'm going to teach y'all how to contour your nose properly. Now, I know everyone probably is going to say, girl, how you know how to do it properly? Like, are you a professional? Do you have a license? Stop the questions. Stop the madness. I'm going to show you how I contour my nose properly, because it was a time and place in life where I didn't contour my nose how I should. So I'm gonna show you how to do that with some quick easy steps. I am gonna do a full face right now. I'm gonna speed through that part because that's not the main reason why we're here in this video. I'm not gonna clickbait y'all. I didn't clickbait it. I'm still gonna show y'all in detail how to contour the nose properly. Now, what you'll need is contour. That's the main part of this video to make sure your contour is excellent. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to fast forward on doing my foundation, all that kind of stuff, and then we're going to get to the nose and then the breakdown. Before we get into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell to know the next time I post. Please turn on post notifications so you will be notified the next time I post. Why wouldn't you? Duh.
Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. Give me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Give me your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I don't your location, focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's focus on communication, cause I just need the time and place to come through. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. At times I wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Now that my attention it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my.
Alright YouTube, so I'm pretty much done my face. I do have to still put on lashes, lip gloss, and blush, and then some setting powder, but I figured that since I contour that I should start on showing you guys how I contour my nose. So as you can see here, This is not contour. This is just how my nose is, the shape of my natural nose with just foundation. And then, you know, I blend in some concealer. My nose starting to itch. I'm going to take my Juvias Foundation stick, but I use it as a contouring stick. As you can see, I used a lot of it. And try to be careful because it gets everywhere. So now I'm going to take one of these brushes. I am using my DU Care brush. And try to use like a brush like this. It's like kind of flat so it can just, you know, help you contour your nose a little bit. So I'm going to take some off of here. Right? I'm going to put it on both sides. Then I am going to start from under my eyebrow and then work my way down. And then do the other side. And then I'm going to tell you guys how to blend that in. So let's first do this. Let me get my mirror. So first I'm going to go under here. Just like that. You see that? See the difference? No contour, contour, no contour, contour. Now it looks harsh. It looks real harsh, but then I'm gonna show you guys how to blend it in and make it look nice. Now I'm a darker skin complexion, so you want to use a contour stick that is darker than your foundation. That is the #1 key. Get a contour that is darker than your foundation, so you can snatch that nose all the way together. We're gonna look like we just got a surgery, baby. And excuse my baby hairs. I do have foundation on them. It's just, I'm making my hair done soon. Please forgive me. So then I'm going to start with the other side. See that? Now I know it looks crazy, but like I said, I'm going to show you guys how to snatch it. As you can see, it's already kind of forming that shape that we want. Just suck it in, baby. We had surgery this morning. Didn't before, now we do. Now I'm going to show you, and this is the technique I use, and I know a lot of people use this, makeup artists or people that just do makeup in general. I'm not a makeup artist, just FYI. I'm just showing you guys how I do my technique on how to snatch these nose. But where I like my nose kind of like a cartoon effect, that's what my brother says, like a cartoon effect. So I like to like hyphen my nose to make it seem like it's going like upward. Ooh, see these cheekbones? Get into it. Anyways, so what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a line over just like this, and it's gonna kind of give it like that hyphen, like that effect, you know. So I'm gonna go over my nose. Just like that. You see that? So now I look like Rudolph, but I'm trying to tell y'all, this is a technique that will work. And FYI, if you do have eyeshadow with your makeup look, make sure that, well, I'm going to just show you guys how to blend it in, but make sure that you go over your eyeshadow again when you're done contouring. So I'm kind of show you what that looks like. I'm not using any eyeshadow, as you can see, but once you're done your contour, you want to kind of go over the eyeshadow again and cover if you have any harsh lines connecting to under your eyebrow. All right, so we're done with that. So now I'm going to take this side, I'm going to take the flattened side and just blend it out. All right, so I'm going to show you guys how to do that right now. You see that? I just kind of blended that out. So like I said, if you have any eyeshadow, you kind of want to go over the eyeshadow where the is connecting under your eyebrows. So go over there so it won't show as much, if that makes sense. So now I'm going to do the other side. So as you can see, I did the other side. And like I said before, if you have eyeshadow on this side, you kind of want to just go over the eyeshadow again, the part that you blended out your contour. Okay. Now we're going to get to over the nose. So you want to kind of, just like how we blended out on this side and this side, you kind of want to blend out downward to give it like that cartoon effect, like the slope. We're going in a slope, if that makes sense. So you see the side profile. As you can see, once I blend it going down, it will kind of go up. As you can see, it's like a cartoon effect now. Now it's kind of going up. All right. So basically, that is how I contour my nose. I know a lot of people put like concealer right here, but see, I'm the type of person, I don't like brightness focusing on my nose. Like, focus on the cheekbones. It's all about the cheekbones. All that concealer on my cupid's bow, whatever the case, I just feel like it's not necessary. But hey, to each his own. To each his own. Right. So that is how I contour my nose. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to finish my face, and I'm going to come back and then show you guys the end look.
Send me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come close. Send me your location, let's ride the vibration. I don't need nothing else but you. I sometimes wonder why I fool with you, but this is new to me. This is new to you. Initially, I didn't wanna fall for you. Gather my attention, it was all for you. So don't take advantage of my heart. Damn it, to understand nothing. Go a little bit better when you turn it. Give me your location, let's focus on communicating, 'cause I just need the time and place to come, time and place to come. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else to say. I don't. Your location, vibration. I don't need nothing else.
All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. All right, YouTube. Thank you for watching. I just show you guys how to do a quick 1, 2, 3 beginner friendly type of steps on how to contour the nose. Yes, we got this snatch all the way together, as you can see. I really, really, really like this technique. I did get it from my best friend Linda. She is also my aunt. And don't think family members can't be your best friend, because they can. She just showed me her tricks. Now I know a lot of people might say, my contour method may be too harsh or whatever. It's all in the preference, I like my contour always snatched. I want you to see that I worked hard on this contour. I don't want it to fade in the background. I want you to know that I contoured this nose. I snatched all the way together. I want you to think that I got surgery. I want you to think that I went to Dr. Miami, but I didn't. It's all in the beauty of makeup. You can create whatever you want with makeup. That's why makeup is so bold and beautiful. And I did this lip combo. I did a dark brown outline with like a gray type of gloss, and then finished off with like a clear gloss to make it more pop. You guys want to see more videos on how I do my eyebrows, or how I contour my cheekbones, or how I do my setting, if I bake, if I don't bake, if I set it in, any of those tips you guys want to know, make sure you leave a comment down below. Make sure you follow me on Instagram at prettylips_all-day, Facebook at Adriana Jefferson, Snapchat at Adriana Jefferson 81, TikTok prettylips 22. All of that will be in the description box down below. Make sure you subscribe, hit that notification bell. It really helps me out a lot. You will get notified the next time I post. And like I stated, my name is Adriana. This was Adriana time. Peace.